How is everybody doing today? My name is Hayden Wendell. I'm a realtor in College Station, Texas. Today we have an awesome 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,900 square feet, listed a little bit under $400,000 in the Brewster Pointe community. It is a newer neighborhood, so let's go on and check it out. Before we get in there, I just want to remind y'all, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see. It is a little too bright for me, so let's head on inside. All right, so whenever you walk in, you do have these tiles that you'll see all throughout the house, except for a little bit in the bathrooms. But here you have your living space and your kitchen. Awesome countertops. You have a quartz countertop here, white cabinetry, or white countertops and white cabinetry. And I really do love this, the wooden shelves built in where there is still some openness for some storage. You do have 5 burners, formal dining area, awesome fireplace that they put in here, good backsplash. Really just brings the whole room together. You have a beam running all the way across. If you want to paint it, a wooden color, put wood on it to make it more of a wooden looking beam, you can definitely do that as well. Over here, you have your primary suite here with the blue accent wall. Then you also have your primary bathroom just right here. Same countertops, different cabinets, kind of a greenish color that you have here with the gold hardware. Great shower with the subway tile. And a nice soaking tub that you have here. What I do like here is they did their primary closet that they have right here off of the laundry room. Same kind of cabinet, same tile. But this way you can just kind of put everything from the laundry room right into the closet behind us. Walking through, you have a kind of a desk area that you can, homework. If you need a little makeshift office, you can definitely do that as well. But they do have a mudroom here, hooks, drawers, place to sit, take your shoes off for the kids, place to hang their backpacks as well. And then back in the front of the house, this is where you have your other 2 bedrooms. Basic bedroom there. Same countertops, different cabinetry here. They went with a little blue here, subway tiles in this shower as well. And then in this bedroom, they do have a wooden blue accent wall as well. Hey, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in again. Like I said, my name is Hayden Wendell. I'm a realtor here in Bryan-College Station. Let me know if you need any help, have any questions. My information is at the end of this video and it's in the description. Feel free, give me a call, give me a text, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer it as soon as possible and answer any questions that y'all might have. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see y'all on the next